In a bold move, Wabantu Economic Empowerment Revolutionaries (WEERS), a group aligned with the former ZANU-PF official Serious Kasukwere, is publicly backed VP Constantino Chiwenga's efforts to combat corruption. This show of support comes amid intense infighting within ZANU-PF party, with the various factions rallying behind different leaders. Sanabila mashuka tunoti aiwa panapa Kasukwere oya panguva inoi aiwa achiva achisapota general panawo aiwa ikuopposa corruption. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Chitika pa this critical point topina panapa bepanaurism ebanira chiti WEERS led by Xavier Kazizi issued a strong statement outlining their stance. They emphasized their commitment to upholding constitutionalism in Zimbabwe, opposing the extension of term limits, and rejecting plans to postpone the 2020 elections. The group also reiterated their support for Chiwenga, raising his stance against corruption and mismanagement of state resources. Chiwenga has been vocal about his anti-corruption efforts, calling for greater participation from business in anti-corruption initiatives, and emphasizing the need for a robust legislative framework to combat graft. WEERS endorsement of Chiwenga's efforts is a significant development in the ongoing power struggle within ZANU-PF. As tensions continue to rise, it remains to be seen how this will play out in the coming months. Tomashukana mudani kopana pana wakumana awatunoti wakumana wana Xavier Kasukwere vana wakumana ma G40 wamoziva panguva ya Mugabe panguva inobva uchidzoka nyika yeZimbabwe navo vakubetserana nemaveterans vachisapota general vachiti aiwa corruption hatichaidi, inoda kuti tarisai kuvhara kuri kuita mashopu, tarisai even mahealth services, zvinhu zvese aiwa zviva dilapidated, maroads hatitauri nekuda kwevakomana vari corrupt vari kungoluta maresources. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.